Hey TikTok fam, as winter sets in, it's time to tackle those seasonal wrinkles and embrace the magic of a DIY remedy that turns back the clock on your hands and feet. Curious to know the secret sauce? Well, here it is. Grab a carrot, peel it, and shred it like a winter breeze. Mix it thoroughly with 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, the ultimate winter skincare warrior. It's like a cozy spa day for your skin. Once your winter remedy is ready, find a jar and let it soak in hot water for about 5 minutes. A warm hug for your concoction. Store it in a glass jar, your very own winter skincare potion. Embrace this daily ritual and witness the magic unfold on your hands and feet. Softness and fewer winter wrinkles await. Winter skincare just got a whole lot cozier, right? An easy recipe that'll make your skin look 10 years younger, even in the chilliest months. Who knew that carrots and coconut oil could be your winter skincare heroes? Try it out. Share the winter glow and tag me. I can't wait to see your fabulous results. So let's cozy up to this skincare secret and conquer winter with soft, youthful vibes. Try it out. Spread the winter skincare love, and let's all glow together.